Welcome back. This is our last lesson before we take a week vacation. Yay! This is called Make an Organized List. And we are going to use these shapes to fill that box. Now, a week or so ago, I sent you the sheet and you had to color the shapes and cut them out and use them. If you threw those out, you need to print another one off, pause this video, make those shapes, ask somebody to cut them out for you. You need them again. Okay, so what we're going to do is figure out how many ways we can fill that space. So I always start with the largest piece. Okay, so when I put that on, and then you can clearly see that I can fit a green triangle there, and I can fit a green triangle right there. Mine's taped, so it's a little difficult. So I have 1, I have 0 of these, and I have 2 of these. Okay, then I'm going to take them off and try something else. Now there's nothing else I can do with this. So basically, I'm done with that. So now I'm going to start. So everything else, all these others, these are going to be 0 because I'm done. I'm going to start with these. So let's see what I can do. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is much easier on a flat surface. So this time I have 4, I have 0, 4, and 0. Okay, so what am I going to do now? Well, I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to replace it with these. So let's see what happens. Well, look at that. So now I have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 2. What am I going to do next? I'm going to take off another blue and replace it with, my tape's letting go. But you can do this on yours and see that it is going to fit 2 more of the triangles. So now I have 0, 2, and 4. And what am I going to do next? Take off another blue, and I'm going to replace it with another 2 triangles. So now I have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. And then what's the last one I'm going to do? I'm going to take the last blue one off. I have to find my triangle that I dropped on the floor. And Denali just licked it. And replace. And you can see that that shape has 0 blue and 8. But you can see how I did that in an organized manner. I did one piece at a time, replacing to make sure that I found all the ways. Okay, so go ahead and open up to the middle. And let's look across the top. it says, how many ways can you make this shape using this, this, and this? And I can make a list of all the different ways. I can use one of these, none of these, two of these, and I keep going to find all the ways, just like we did with this sheet. And we found that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there were 6 different ways. When you finish, there are 4 ways to make that shape, this shape, using just those pieces. I can check by building the shape with the blocks again. So double check, go back and double check. Can I fill that in by one of these and one of these, 2 of these, 1 of these and 1 of these, 4 of these? Okay, so you're going to do that. This yellow triangle, these are the 3 pieces that you're going to use. Find all the ways to cover that up. And it must be exact. You have to stay within the lines of the shape. Then you're going to do this shape. And it's a different color, but it's the same size. I don't know why they did that, just to be difficult. But using this shape, this should be yellow. The others are the right color. And find how many different ways you can cover that piece. And then when you turn on the back, this is digital. We don't have that, so you're not doing this sheet at all. But when you go to do your homework, when you do this, your homework, see this triangle? It's the wrong size. I sent you a piece of paper that had the triangle the right size. This will match your pieces. This one does not match the size of your pieces. And the same thing on the back. This piece right here does not match your pieces. I gave it to you right here. So I sent you this piece of paper that has the diagrams the correct size for the pieces that I gave you. I believe I told you which day I sent you the pieces. I will make sure it's written on the plan to go back and look when I sent you those pieces the first time if you need to make another set. Okay? So have fun. You're going to take a picture of the 2 homework pages. And when you're finished with your lesson plan for today, double check that you have sent me everything I have asked for. And then you have an entire week of vacation to do whatever you want. I will continue through Facebook sending activities that I think you'll find fun and exciting. But after a week, we'll come back and we'll start fresh again. So have a great week. Bye-bye.